Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add bar chart in Excel step by step. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add bar chart with it. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option. Then we go to the all chart. Now I am select the bar section. We can see here many bar chart. You can add the stacked bar or the clustered bar, etc. Now I am select the clustered and select this. Click OK. Now we can see we add bar chart in Excel very easily. You can change the color or add more style and effects. Select the chart and go to the design menu. Then you can see here many style. You can add any style of the bar chart. Now I am select this. You can change the color of the bar chart easily. You can change the layout of the bar. Otherwise you can add more element or remove more element. Now we can see we add bar chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.